Hi guys, how was the Christmas holiday going? I did lots of eating, drinking, dessert, apple crumble, chocolate mousse, and now time to back to our workout routine. So today we're mainly focusing on our lower body again because lower body will burn more calories than our upper body. And we prepare half a set of dumbbell. Also, this workout routine would be have inclusive of 6 exercises, and each exercise will do 7 reps. And in between the exercise, we have no rest. So as a circus, we finish quickly, finish the 6 exercise, and we'll give ourselves 30-second rest and jump to the other 2 circuits. So total will be 3 circuits. But if you want to, you can have 4 or 5 if you have really energy. But by the time you finish, you really hurt. And to doing this before we're hitting our New Year Eve big party. So are you ready? Let's go! First, we start with warm-up with 12 reps of push-up and 30 seconds of mountain climber before we start our superset.
Okay. Look, down low, up top, on my way to the bag at the bus stop, some blow, some flop, I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop, don't stop, keep going, I got this mantra in my head and make me keep flowing, pour shots, keep pouring, it's no more vodka in my head, got no release for it, I see a flip, I make a flip, I'm a hustler, I just hit a lick, this that double shift, this that overtime, I'm on my job, player, you know I was born to grind, it's for my people standing up until they back hurt, it's for my people standing up to get the cash, sir, my minimum wage and all my cash clerks, it's I gotta do, but yo, I need the bag first, it's just with me way before my bachelor's, they with me, yo, they say I need a master's, they must have never heard me rap, that's a fact word, the system got me on my back, what's the answer? Down low, up top, on my way to the bag at the bus stop, some blow, some flop, I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop, don't stop, keep going, I got this mantra in my head and make me keep flowing, pour shots, keep pouring, it's no more vodka in my head, got no release for it, up, son, I'm out, I don't wanna breathe, I just wanna pass out, reaping what I sowed, that's what I'm doing, cousin, keeping to my owns, not how I'm moving, cousin, Black Emperor, open the cash register, running sales, back to back peddlers, how can I help you, how can I shelf you, dealt with wealth, please help yourself, boo, you hear the way how I be rocking on the beat, I'm a rock star, boy I rock it to sleep, I'm a lead from the seasons I spent on my fucking job, and I signed a deal, I just sold that to God, look, down low, up top, on my way to the bag at the bus stop, some blow, some flop, I ain't get my shot yet, but I'm gon' pop, don't stop, keep going, I got this mantra in my head and make me keep flowing, pour shots, keep pouring, it's no more vodka in my head, got no release for it, down low, up top, down low, up top, down low, up top, down.
I know I messed it up, but in my soul, I feel a love for you that's out of control. Sometimes I feel like I can make you whole. I just can't change my emotions. There isn't anything I wouldn't do to prove that everything I say till you came around, came around. All this time, you're the only reason I'm not chasing highs, chasing highs. What is love? Lately I've been wondering just what is love, what is love? I don't know, no one ever showed me, I've been on my